Dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about the maintenance law of India. Now let's start. Maintenance is when a marriage is dissolved, certain rights come into existence. The wife is allowed to ask for maintenance from the husband to preserve herself and her children in some cases. It is provided to provide the wife with general expenses and to put her in comfort by minimizing the loss of the marriage. Certain laws in India, for example, the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, provide both the husband and wife's right to claim maintenance. Some additional benefits are given to the woman under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. This act applies only for the Hindu people. The law relating to divorce and maintenance differs from religion to religion. The amount is not fixed, but it varies as per the condition of living of the couple, the income of husband and wife, number of people dependent on the husband for their survival. It is either upon the couple to agree on an amount or do it as per the order of the court. It can either be paid in lump sum or on monthly basis. There are certain grounds also on which maintenance can be denied. Maintenance law in India lays down the duty of a man to provide maintenance to his wife, children and parents when they are unable to maintain themselves. In legal terms, maintenance is defined as the amount which is paid to the dependent wife, children and parents to maintain themselves. In law, maintenance is defined as the amount which is paid to the dependent wife, children and parents to maintain themselves. The amount can be paid either by doing one lump sum payment or by way of monthly installments. There are personal laws relating to maintenance in India which are applicable to people belonging to those religions, whereas the maintenance claim under Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure Act 1973 can be filed by anyone regardless of religion or caste. A person is entitled to basic amenities like food, clothing, shelter, and other necessary requirements to live a dignified life. Under the principles of social justice, it is the natural duty of a man to provide these amenities to his wife, parents, and children in the form of maintenance. Who can claim and get maintenance? A wife, a son and daughter, legitimate or illegitimate abnormal child, father or mother. The essential condition for granting maintenance are sufficient means to maintain the person, neglect or refusal to maintain. The person who claims maintenance must be unable to maintain himself or herself, special provisions for maintenance of minor girls, etc. In legal meaning, maintenance is the alimony that someone must pay regularly to a former wife, husband or partner, especially when they had children together. It is the duty of every person to maintain his wife, children and parents who are not able to live on their own. Who is eligible to claim maintenance? According to Section 125 of CRPC, who is eligible to claim maintenance? When any person neglects or refuses to maintain his wife, children and parents, they can claim maintenance by filing an application before the magistrate. Such maintenance is granted at such monthly rate as the magistrate thinks fit. The jurisdiction of magistrate to deal with maintenance proceedings are procedure for maintenance, alteration of allowance, conclusion and reference. Now I will tell you about some maintenance law in India. Some maintenance laws of India are provisions under the Code of Criminal Procedure Act 1973 under Section 125, provisions under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, provisions under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, provisions under the Protection of Women from the Domestic Violence Act, the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986, Muslim Personal Law, maintenance under Hindu law, child maintenance law in India, maintenance under Muslim law, maintenance under Parsi law and maintenance under Christian law. Under Section 125 of CRPC, the right of maintenance under the family law in India extends not only the wife and dependent children but also to indigent parents and divorced wives. But the maintenance claim dependent upon the husband's capacity and capability to provide sufficient means. A judicial magistrate of the first class may order to a person to pay a monthly allowances for the maintenance of his wife, children, and father or mother when there is a valid proof of neglect or refusal by the man to maintain them. However, under Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, a wife will not be entitled to receive maintenance if she has committed adultery, refuses to live with her husband by mutual consent. Thus, the maintenance law in India lays down the duty of a man to provide maintenance to his wife, parent, and children when they are unable to maintain themselves. Now, I'm going to give you a conclusion about the topic. After all, India is a secular country. People from different religions reside here. The personal laws of the parties are given an upper hand while dealing with the personal issues of the party. But at the same time, violation of the conditional rights is not tolerated, as it happened in the case of triple talaq, where the man was given utmost power to divorce his wife without acknowledging her wishes. The court struck down triple talaq as it was treating a woman unequally. Maintenance is often seen as a biased favor granted to a woman, but looking at the vulnerable nature of a woman, her dignity and needs are to be protected in the best way possible. Further, the amount vary as per the conditions of both the husband and wife, and in certain cases, whereas mutual divorce is generally less traumatic, but for the parties and their families, contested divorce brings more problems which relate to a child custody, maintenance, and other things. Dear friends, if you like today's content, please don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe the channel. And also, I want to say thank you for the 100 subscribers of my channel. And I will be back very soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.